your Dave. Today we're gonna cook Western food. We're gonna try Mexican chicken chop with black pepper sauce. Let's start.
The main ingredients to marinate the chicken are Himalayan salt, turmeric powder, paprika, white pepper powder, garam masala, yogurt, lime juice and chicken. I'm using this chicken breast part because this one is the most fleshy and suitable for the chicken chop. The main ingredients to cook black pepper sauce are garlic, onion, margarine. Instead of butter, we are using margarine. White pepper powder, chicken stock, sugar, mushroom, Himalayan salt, oyster sauce, plain water, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper sauce and all-purpose flour. Let's start marinating. First of all, add some salt and then turmeric powder, followed by paprika, garam masala, white pepper powder, yogurt, lime juice as well. Start mixing. Marinating is done. Let's start refrigerate about 1 to 2 hours. It will be good if you refrigerate overnight. Okay, let's start cooking black pepper sauce. After heating up the pan, first of all, add some butter. Next, add in some onions and garlic. And stir it up and wait until it turns into golden brown. After onions and garlic, add chopped mushrooms. And stir it up. Next, add in some plain water. After adding plain water, add chicken stock. And stir it up. If you need more water in the sauce, you can add some more water. Depends on you. Next, add some black pepper sauce. And then oyster sauce. And stir it up. After adding oyster sauce, add in some white pepper powder. And then followed by salt.
and then stir it up. And then add some sugar. And stir it up well. Next, add in some all-purpose seasoning. And then finally add some diluted flour. You must dilute the all-purpose flour. And then add in and stir it up. Stir it up until the sauce is thickened. Keep stirring up. Okay guys, the sauce is thickened. Okay guys, the sauce is done. Let's start frying the chicken. Before that, let me introduce the ingredients to fry the chicken. 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. And start heating the pan and put some oil. And wait until the oil to be heat. Check whether the oil is heated up or not. First, coat the chicken in the egg. And then breadcrumbs. And then put into the oil. And wait until the color turns into golden brown. The fried chicken chop is ready to be served with black pepper sauce. Mexican black pepper chicken chop is ready to be served. Mexican chicken chop is done. For the coleslaw and mashed potato, I will upload next week. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye, signing off, Dave.